In a world where innovation reigns supreme, the Realme 12 Pro 5G stands tall as a beacon of superior technology and design. Elevate your mobile experience, capture moments with unprecedented clarity, and stay connected with seamless performance. Behold this Realme smartphone, where every feature is a testament to a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a smartphone. 64 MP Periscope portrait cameras step into the world of unrivaled picture quality and artistic freedom with the Realme 12 5x 64 MP Periscope portrait camera. This unique feature takes smartphone photography to new heights, offering 3x optical zoom and 6 sensor zoom for exceptional clarity, noise control, and dynamic range. The cinematic portrait algorithm crafts DSLR quality bokeh portraits, ensuring captivating subject focus and natural blur. Brace yourself for the spectacular 100x super zoom, setting a new benchmark in zoom capabilities within its price range. 50 MP Sony IMX890 OIS camera back on a photography revolution with the Realme 12 Pro 5X pioneering 50 MP Sony IMX890 OIS camera. Boasting the largest sensor in its price segment, this camera delivers unmatched daydream and nightscape brilliance. Bid farewell to blur with super OIS, while the ultra clarity engine and this engine ensure precision beyond compare. Capture moments with unprecedented clarity and elevate your photography game to new heights. Snapdragon 7th Gen 2.5 chipset powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7th Gen 2. The Realme 12 Pro 5G stands out with the only 4nm Snapdragon chipset in a segment with 5G compatibility. This smartphone guarantees powerful performance, ensuring the smooth completion of all your tasks. Enjoy lag-free gaming, seamless multitasking, and lightning-fast connectivity with cutting-edge chipset. Luxury watch design witnessed the fusion of technology and elegance with the Realme 12 Pro 5's luxury watch design in collaboration with master watchmaker Olivia Savelli. This smartphone integrates classic luxury watch elements, featuring a precision dial, rolled and fluted bezel, and intricate textures reminiscent of high-end watch craftsmanship. This series ushers in a new era of light luxury. Leverage your style of the device synonymous with elegance in the watchmaking world. Enter 2000 Hz curved vision display. Indulge in brilliance with the 120 Hz curved vision on the display. The Swift 16's hyper-precise touch ensures lightning-fast and accurate responses, while Proxor restores HUD's full dynamic range for unparalleled photo viewing. With 2160 Hz premium dimming and A brightness adjustment for superior visual comfort. This display is an eye-friendly treat. The sleek 2.32 ultra narrow chin, rugged double reinforced glass, and hypervision mode contribute to an ergonomic and immersive delight. 3D vapor chamber cooling system experience peak performance without the heat, thanks to the Realme 12 Pro 5X 3D vapor chamber cooling system. Spacious stainless steel vapor chamber increases the heat dissipation area, ensuring top-notch performance while maintaining an optimal temperature. Say goodbye to overheating worries and enjoy a seamless user experience. 67 Superbook charge up at lightning speed with the 67W Superbook charge and revel in the extended usage provided by the robust 5000 mAh battery. Stay connected longer with reduced wait times and rest assured with dual charge pump technology and intelligent 5-core chip protection, ensuring optimal charging efficiency and top-tier device safety. 12GB 12 dynamic RAM seamlessly multitask with an impressive 12GB 812 of dynamic RAM and enjoy ample space for photos, videos, and documents with up 256GB of storage. The 3 dynamic memory expansion technology allows you to convert RAM into RAM, enhancing the smartphone's overall performance. Realme 12 Pro 5 Plus 5G comes in 3 colors: submarine blue, navigator, big explorer. Seamlessly smooth, seamlessly durable. IP65 water resistance, reliable protection, tactile engine, high quality gaming, haptics, in-display fingerprint, scanner safe, and fast antenna array matrix. Consistently stable connection, high-res audio, dual speakers, Dolby Atmos. MPO. Connectivity options on the Realme 12 Pro 5 include Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC, and USB Type-P with active fork on both SIM cards. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compost magnetometer, nearest gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint sensor. Realme 12 Pro series price in India. Realme 12 Pro is priced at as as 25,999 for the 8GB, 8GB, and ARS 26,999 for the 8-day dose of 56B model. The phone comes in submarine blue and navigator beige colors. Realme 12 Pro is priced at AS 29,999 for the 8-day H46 HT 1,999 for the 8-day models. Take D6M 1,909 for the 8-26B Gambia and 929 for the 8-day H256B model, and RST 33,999 for the 12-day FB the two country find PS 60 and B. The handset will be sold in submarine blue, navigator beige, and explorer only for India colors. The first sale of the phones is on February 6th at 12 p.m. via the Realme website, Flipkart, and retail stores. The company is offering with 2,000 instant discount through the ICC bank card and no cost EMI option. There is also as 1,000 exchange offer as well, pre-booking and early access sale benefit. There is an early access sale today, January 29th, from 6 p.m. Pre-booking for offline stores starts today and from January 30th through Flipkart.